At SumTotal, we know your employees are not only your single greatest asset, but most likely your single greatest cost. We also know getting the most value from them is critical to the success of your business. And we know if you're like many of today's companies, you're dealing with frozen or reduced headcount, skill gaps at critical positions, and demographics changed by retiring baby boomers. As complicated as these issues can make things, we also know in today's competitive environment, you have no choice. You have to increase the productivity of your existing workforce. You have to maximize your employees' value. At SumTotal, we've been helping employees around the world get better for over 10 years. With more than 1,500 customers and 18 million users, we've learned a lot about making employees and businesses better. In fact, we've identified 4 areas that are essential to address. They are alignment, engagement, development, and retention. Let me ask you a few questions. The first is regarding alignment.
Is everyone in your company 100% aligned with your business strategy?
What about employee engagement?
Are your employees fully engaged, and do they have the tools and resources they need to be 100% effective doing their jobs?
Next is about development.
How are you dealing with your middle and bottom performers?
And finally, retention.
Have you identified top performers, and do you have a plan in place to keep them?
At SumTotal, we've found the most effective way to deal with these 4 areas is through a unified strategy, a continuous and complete process that helps drive performance and business results on a daily basis. We call our solution talent development. With our approach, everything works together. Employees have a single development plan which aligns with organizational goals. Performance reviews identify skill gaps and provide developmental activities to fill them. Employees drive their own career plans, and management maintains succession strategies for key positions. Everything is tracked, and the data can be used to check against business results. SumTotal is the only company to offer a complete best-of-breed unified talent development solution. Based on a simple but powerful concept, the solution is geared towards making your employees better as cost-effectively as possible. Let me show you how. Let's take the first question. With talent development, you can easily see who is and who isn't aligned. It shows the link between your company's strategic goals all the way to individual employee goals. Having this kind of information makes it simpler for teams to identify misalignment and adjust. It also makes it clear where employee competency and skill gaps may be getting in the way of achieving their goals. And if the compensation in your company is tied to goals, our solution makes linking goals to compensation plans seamless. Remember the second question around engagement? With unified talent development, you can boost productivity and the engagement of your workforce any number of ways. For instance, you can give people a clear path for growth. You can empower by allowing them to self-select their own personal career development plans. You can challenge and motivate by offering coaching and access to a wide array of experts. Our third question was around development. With talent development, it's simple to see where all your employees are ranked. Take this middle group. For these people, it's primarily about developing competencies to bridge learning gaps and improve productivity. For the bottom performers, it may be a chance to redeploy to other positions and offer development plans for success in a new role. The last question, as you may remember, was around retention. With unified talent development, it's simple to see who's on top, so you can ensure you're offering superstars the appropriate career and development plans to keep them engaged and growing. At SumTotal, we understand how important employee alignment, engagement, development, and retention are to your business. We're the only company that can offer a complete best-of-breed unified talent development solution. It's easy to use, highly adaptable to your environment, and will give you the data and information you need. At SumTotal, we know your employees are your most valuable asset. Let us help you, through talent development, make them better.